now, ladies and gentlemen, celebrating her 60th birthday, please welcome Miss Bridget Gregorio.
Happy birthday, honey. No words can express how much I love you. Alam mo naman yan. At alam ko rin naman na mahal mo ako. At of course, ang ating mga anak, si Vince at si Laika. Especially yung apo natin, si Liz Vera. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. At makakaasa ka na habang ako'y nabubuhay ay mamahalin kita ng tapat. Nang naayon sa kagustuhan ng Panginoon. At makakaasa ka na sa pagtanda nating dalawa, tayo pa rin yung magkasama.
Hi tita, happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings and more birthday to.
Happy birthday, Lola Mom. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bridget.
So, happy birthday, Ma. Happy 60th birthday. Dual citizen ka na. I hope you have fun during this day. I wish you, of course, happiness for the rest of your life.
More birthdays to come and enjoy your life.
Wish namin good health and long life.
Sobrang happy rin po kami na may experience itong event na to with you. And thank you po sa lahat ng pag-aalaga and support sa amin. And of course, congratulations sa 25% discount. Yun, we love you!
Syempre, good health, more birthdays to come, and sana madagdagan pa yung apo natin.
Hi, honey. Tanda mo ba kung saan tayo unang nagkita? Doon sa traffic room ng Cebu. Nung maispatan kita, meron akong kakaibang naramdaman agad sa'yo. And then, yun na. Pinupuntahan na kita sa boarding house. Sinusundo kita sa San Jose Recoletos dahil nag-aaral ka pa nung time na yan.
The game, and para po sa ating mga guests, no coaching please. And welcome to Family Feud.
Madam Bridge, happy birthday po. Stay pretty, gorgeous, and generous.